Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the pack's charge level and condition. You want it full, but at least above 30% to deliver a strong pulse. Once done, visually inspect clamps, cables, and the case for corrosion, frayed insulation, or loose terminals, because safety depends on solid connections. Next, position the vehicle. Put the car in park or neutral and set the parking brake. This prevents movement and isolates the electrical system while you work, so you can connect confidently. With the vehicle off and accessories closed, you attach the red clamp to the battery's positive, plus terminal. You do this first to prevent sparks near grounded metal. Then attach the black clamp to a clean, unpainted chassis ground point away from the battery. Do not connect to the negative terminal directly if pack instructions advise otherwise. Make sure the pack status lights indicate correct polarity and readiness. You follow its sequence precisely. Because the pack's electronics manage, you now start the engine while holding the steering wheel. Once it turns over, keep the engine running for 30 to 60 seconds to stabilize charging. After the engine runs, remove the clamps in reverse order. Black ground clamp first, then red positive. This reduces spark risk and protects electronics. Store the pack fully charged in a cool, dry place. If the engine still won't start, wait 2 to 3 minutes, try one more start, and then use the troubleshooting tip below if problems continue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.